It is a hot and humid day here in North Carolina. As you can see behind me, the sun is just rising. And today, my goal is to photograph some fungi. So come along and enjoy this adventure. This is perfect mushroom time of year. It rained yesterday. It is humid as hell today. And these mushrooms are going to pop out of the ground today. Now, the thing with mushrooms is that, like under other plants, like flowers or anything like that, these plants are going to basically emerge today and basically disintegrate over the next 2 or 3 days. So when you get a good rain in the fall, that's the time to go out and photograph them. They can be incredibly beautiful, dynamic colors. The mushroom part of the plant is basically the reproduction part of the plant. The plant is usually just, if you dug up right here underneath here, you'd find these white veins in the ground. That is actually the plant itself. So my goal is to basically walk through this forest here and photograph these fungi. I'm really excited about this. I've always been a little hesitant about fungus because some fungus are so toxic that if you touch them, you can get sick from them. So today I will not be touching any, but I will be photographing. So the first mushroom I'm photographing are king dome mushrooms. These are fairly common mushrooms here in North Carolina and in the eastern coast of the United States for that matter. But I gotta tell you, most of the time when I see them, they've already turned. These mushrooms turn very fast. I mean, in hours after they emerge. These ones look like they just came out. They are very beautiful. They're brown and tan color. And in this low light situation, it really makes those colors kind of pop out and look really nice. I'm basically doing a straight shot on. I'm shooting at ISO 100, shooting at f8, and that's giving me a shutter speed of 1 second. So if these pictures are any good, here they are. Well, this guy is a carrot foot mushroom. It is a mushroom that actually stands off the ground here a little bit. This one's actually starting to disintegrate. So, good thing I came out today and take its picture. I'm actually putting my camera right in the ground so I get that angle, focusing right on the mushroom. And if this picture is any good, here it is. Well, I have to tell you, it amazes me how fast some of these mushrooms decay. This golden gill here is a common mushroom here in North Carolina. As the name implies, it's a golden yellow color. It is a very beautiful mushroom. Unfortunately, the example I have here is actually decaying. This is another species that actually decays in hours, and I've been here for about 5 minutes and I swear I can watch this thing breaking apart. So anyways, here's the picture. If it's any good, here it is. This next fungus that I'm taking a picture of, I'm not sure it's a mushroom. It might be just a simple fungus. As you know, fungus are decayers. This one's growing on a log. The plant itself is actually inside the log itself. This plant here is brown and white. I'm using iNaturalist to identify these plants, and this plant, it's not coming up with a really good ID. I'm gonna have to wait until I get home to really get a look at it and see if I can identify it. If I do identify it here, it's gonna be right below. But this is a very beautiful plant, and with any luck, here's the picture. When I was doing some research on this over the weekend here, this time of year, some beautiful red mushrooms come up. And unfortunately, I was not able to find any of them. That was actually my goal, was to photograph them. But I was able to photograph these other mushrooms. I think part of it was that we're in the middle of well, I shouldn't say we're in the middle of a drought. We're in a drought. We just came out of the drought. So that might have something to do with it. They may come up in another week. I don't know. But I wasn't able to find any. But I'm glad I came out. I really had a good time doing this. I am soaked to the bone because of the humidity, but it's been very, very exciting about it. So if you got anything out of this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel because that really helps us in the YouTube world. Become a Patreon supporter. Your support allows us to keep doing this. My name is Leahy, and I thank you for watching.